I got something for the trip to damn Philadelphia.
What'd you get?
Man, damn, you gonna like this, boy. I bought a thermos, man, put my coffee in.
A thermos for what?
To put my coffee in for the trip.
Okay, we have to discuss this trip up to Philadelphia, Pop.
Yeah, we need to talk about it. We gotta figure the road.
Listen,
wait, let me talk. We gotta go. You do it on Google, right?
Yep.
And you go maps and you draw what?
We don't need to drive.
What about snow?
We don't need to.
Yeah, we don't drive.
That's why, because of snow and stuff, we can't drive to Philadelphia.
I'm driving to Philadelphia, Michael. It's decided.
Seriously, let's just fly.
Fly, Michael! Goddamn it! Now listen to me. I am not flying. They just lost a goddamn plane yesterday. They ain't getting my big ass in no goddamn plane.
We have to fly. You can't.
I am not gonna live in the goddamn. I am not gonna live in the goddamn ocean. You understand me?
That's gonna be.
I am not gonna live in a goddamn field. Like goddamn, what's that goddamn guy's name?
Richie Valens.
Yeah, I got visions, man.
This ain't
I
Papa.
I see the goddamn plane falling. I'm in it.
I don't care
You
what
know what? No what?
I'm flying. I'm not dealing with this no more.
I am not flying.
I've already bought the tickets.
What?
We're flying to Philadelphia.
Oh hell no!
That's.
Oh hell no! Whoa! Oh hell no! Michael, no!
I almost spent $1,000 on tickets.
Get your money back, bitch!
We're flying. That's all there is to it, or you're not going. Chill out, dude.
Michael, I am not.
Okay, dude, you need to chill out sometimes. You're flying.
You.
Okay, calm the hell down. It's just a plane.
Get your money back, Michael.
You want to go to the Royal Rumble?
Yeah.
Then you're flying, or you're not going. Okay, go. No, come on!
I ain't flying. You understand me? You fly! Oh, fuck! Damn it!
Dude, what if you got freaking the chicken and dumplings? Enough. Don't do anything else. I'm scared.
You want something to fly, bitch?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Let that goddamn microwave fly.
Yeah.
It just flew, but not me.
Well, we're going to have to talk about this further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. We don't talk. It's over.